Max, tell us quickly, you know, what's been going on and how we haven't been able to help you at all.
Had a hip replacement and went to the doctor originally because I had a pulled groin that I couldn't get healed. And after the orthopedic guy looked at it, said, well, you need a hip replacement. And showed me the x-rays. Yeah, I understood that. And then did the hip replacement. That didn't fix it. Then he recommended a couple of other things. I had, surgery for a hernia, did a hip flexor tendon release, when I was in physical therapy for 5 years. My physical therapist was working on all kinds of stuff, and nothing seemed to fix this pulled groin, and I still have it today.
Okay.
Okay, so the hardest part's probably over with the gel on there. Now you're going to talk to me, okay? I need you because I need your feedback. If you're just feeling the thumping, that's not what we're looking for. When the shockwave passes through there and there's an injury, you're going to kind of feel it. You're going to go, ooh, I feel that.
Now, I don't feel like you're in the spot. It really is
up here
in the crease.
Okay, up here further?
Yeah.
Down here?
Yeah. That's it. Oh, yeah.
Pushing on it?
I can feel the point.
Feel the press? Okay.
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
Feeling the bump, but
You're feeling the thump, but not the...
no sharp pain. It's a little more intense now.
Okay, right there.
Yeah. So I'm guessing you're on the spot.
I'm going to turn it up one. Tell me if that's a little more intense.
Oh, yeah.
Right there?
It had one look. Well, yeah. I wouldn't be comfortable sitting with this for 10 minutes.
Oh, okay. Well, on a scale of 1 to 10, what's that? 5?
5.
Okay, it'll get better as we do the treatment. It'll go down.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, again, I'm interested in going through a little bit of pain. If we, that's why I had like the 5 surgeries.
Yeah, right.
Actually, my final doctor was the Chiefs team doctor for hips, and he was recommended me by 2 or 3 other guys. He's the best in town. So I go to him. He supervised 2 different procedures. Now this really subsided. I'm not feeling nearly.
You're not feeling as much right there?
Yeah, but you're a little more right there.
Right there, okay.
But anyway, after dealing with him, went back after the last procedure, and he said, I'm not feeling much there at all. That's not like it's on the spot.
You're not feeling anything?
Not really.
Right there, no?
I mean, it's
already going
nothing
down.
like it was.
So that's where he had some significant pain earlier.
Now you hit it.
I did it again. I turned it up one, and then we got it right back on the spot.
Oh.
Yeah.
So he's feeling it again.
And that's more intense than it was
Before?
Yeah.
Okay, here, I'll come off of it.
Okay.
We'll kind of come back on it a little bit, and then we'll move off of it, okay?
Yeah. But anyway, went back to him. I said, hadn't helped. And he threw his hands up in the air. He goes, I have no idea what's going on.
Yeah, you've been to a lot of orthopedic.
Oh, boy, that did a
Your
spot.
tendon right here.
Ah!
Oh.
Yeah.
Found a new spot here.
Wow.
I'm going to turn that down.
Yeah, that's a little bit up from where.
Yeah,
Ah, oh, gosh.
that's still too much. Wow.
Dang, I don't ever remember
It being up here?
hitting that spot.
Is that
Less-
tolerable?
Yeah, tolerable.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Gosh, I don't ever remember that.
No, you definitely had a spot down there, but you had a spot up here for sure.
Yeah. Because you always pretty much concentrated in that crease.
Oh,
Yeah.
there's like 3 spots that I've worked on, and I was always confused. I was like, because it was
Nothing.
we'd always move around, and we'd dry needle one spot, or we'd do soft tissue work in one, and
Nothing there.
Nothing.
it was almost like you had.
Oh,
Whoops.
Boy, you
When I find it, I find it.
You
Huh?
just stumbled onto that one.
It's right there?
Yeah. Golly.
So that's probably more towards the femur on that, where his hip replacement is, but his hip replacement is deep in
Yeah.
that joint, so I don't think you'd be affecting
It
that.
goes 12 centimeters deep, so it can get in
Okay,
there.
maybe.
And,
Yeah.
and Dr. Cook says the hip replacement just went perfect.
Yeah.
And I've never had any
Well,
trouble with that.
to those guys, it does, because, you know, it clinically, like the textbook said, it went perfect, right? But for us, sometimes it's like, yeah, well, doesn't feel quite the same as it did.
Except
Not the same way that God made me the
No,
first
but
time.
I take him off the hook though, because
Yeah.
I had this problem before I went to him,
Yeah.
and he showed me on the X-rays why I needed hip replacement.
Is that better there now, a little less?
I can still feel it, but it.
I'm gonna bump it up one, okay?
Okay, it didn't jab me like that one when you moved. Nothing there.
Nothing there?
Nothing there. Oh,
Right there,
this
right
guy.
there?
Oh, yeah. Oh, gosh.
Well, when we find it, don't
Boy,
we?
you sure do. And I am amazed that it's that far down my leg.
Well, you had one down there too, but there's something along in here that's, it may just be some inflammation of, I don't know. This over here better? I'm gonna go back up quite a bit here.
Don't feel a thing there.
Over here. Better now?
Yeah. Oh,
You
that's
got it?
fine.
Right there?
Oh, not feeling anything. Oh, I just did that. Yeah. It feels like it sounds like a jackhammer.
Yeah.
Don't it?
Yeah, it does.
Oh, yeah. But it just hits for a moment. It's like it hurts when you make the first hit and then it drops off.
Then it drops off after.
Yeah. Is that normal?
Well, it's probably a little bit of a surprise to you too,
Oh.
because it goes from nothing to, ooh, there it is, and then you're like, oh, your brain goes, oh, okay, that's all right.
It's not that
I'm
bad.
not being stabbed or anything. Like when you pick up something hot
Yeah.
or cold and you
Oh.
don't know right off the bat if it's
Yeah.
hot or cold, but you
Yeah.
know it's wrong.
Yeah.
So you drop it and then you realize that it's,
Now that has a little, right there where you're doing it, that's kind of a nagging pain there. And that's a little more severe than, yeah. Yeah, that
what about done here for this first treatment?
Okay.
Hang in there.
that kind of hurts.
Yeah.
Doesn't now. You're off it. Oh,
We kind of go over the same spot a couple times. He doesn't feel it, then he does feel it. You know, it's
And it has to do, like, sometimes it's just the way you aim
Oh.
it. You gotta get right there on that,
yeah. Oh,
right there.
now that was a teeth grinder right there.
A little less, is that okay?
Yeah, yeah.
And he's a 7 here and a 10 up over there, so, okay, I think we're gonna stop there for this treatment.
earlier, whenever I tested the right hip, it was at 26 pounds, and the left hip, the one that we treated, was at 18.6 pounds, and it was uncomfortable whenever I tested
Yes.
it. So I'm gonna recheck that left hip, go ahead and raise it up, and then 31.2 pounds after we did that.
Wow.
And
That's incredible.
That's
That's
incredible.
a really good.
I had a little bit of a feeling, but it
No pain?
no, not the pain like I felt.
Nice. That's amazing. That's awesome.
Isn't that great?
Really, really cool. Yeah.
Now,
That's
of
what
course,
we're
if you are going to use me on advertisements, I will expect some
Some big royalties?
NIL money.
Yeah, yeah, right.
All right. Cool.
Dynamic ability.